Good morning, students. In the previous class, we had studied about sentences and its features. I too had given you some homework. Hope you have done it. Now you can check the answers as I read it out for you. If your answers are correct, give a tick mark. If not, then please correct the mistakes. Rearrange the words to make complete sentences. A. Manish likes to play cricket. B. Suresh is very good in mathematics. C. Ravi laughed loudly at the clown. D. The girls hid behind a tree. E. My mother baked a cake for me. Now, we will move to the next exercise. Can you guess what is missing in these sentences? A monkey is sitting on the tree. Children, you have already studied about sentences and its features. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. But in this sentence, we find that capital letter and full stop are missing. So, we will make letter A in capital and at the end of the sentence, we will put full stop. A monkey is sitting on the tree. So we can see here letter A we have written in capital and at the end of the sentence we have put full stop. B. Sunita well. In this sentence, capital letter and full stop are given but verb is missing. So we will put verb is. Sunita is well. Now, you have to make sentences with the following words. School. I study in St. Mary's School. Garden. We have a beautiful garden. Play. The children play in the ground. Food. My mother makes delicious food. Teacher. The teacher is teaching in the class. Trees. Trees clean the air. Now, we will move to the next exercises. In the following sentences, circle the subject and underline the predicate. Children, you have to circle the subject and underline the predicate part. For example, Murali goes to school. In this sentence, Murali is the subject, goes to the school is in the predicate part. So, we have circled the subject and underlined the predicate part. A. My father is a doctor. In this sentence, my father is a subject, is a doctor is in a predicate part. B. Ramanika has a small pup. Ramanika is the subject and has a small pup is in the predicate part. C. Goldie can swim very fast. Goldie is in subject part. Can swim very fast is in predicate part. D. The cow moves loudly. The cow is in subject part. Moves loudly is in predicate part. E. Birds build nests on trees. Birds is in subject part. Build nests on trees is in predicate part. Look at the table given below. Match the words in column A with the words in column B to make sentences. Rewrite the sentences in the space given below. Children, all the words in part A are in subject part and part B are in predicate part. Now, we have to match them. A. You must drink a lot of water. You must drink a lot of water. B. Ravi likes to play football. Ravi likes to play football. C. Arjun is a naughty boy. Arjun is a naughty boy. D. We must turn off the lights. We must turn off the lights. E. Teacher wished the children. Teacher wished the children. F. Kavya does not like sweets. Kavya does not like sweets. Now, you have to write these sentences in your note copy. You have to add an appropriate predicate to the following sentences. A. Ants are very tiny creatures. Ants are very tiny creatures. B. The gardener waters the plants. The gardener waters the plants. C. Milk is good for health. Milk is good for health. D. You must eat fruits. You must eat fruits. E. Anita. Anita is a good singer. Anita is a good singer. Next exercise. Now you have to add an appropriate subject to the following sentences. Can you see the picture of a boy? Can you name him? So we can name him Ravi. Ravi likes to eat ice cream. B. Can you see the monkey climbing on the tree? Yes, you can see. So we can write here monkeys. Monkeys can climb trees very fast. C. Dice likes to go for a walk. So you can see the picture of a grandfather. So we can write here grandfather likes to go for a walk. D. We can see a girl wearing a blue dress. So we can name her Priya. Priya was wearing a blue dress. E. Which is the capital of India, children? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Children, all the exercises of chapter 1 are over. Now you have to learn them. Till then, bye. We will meet in the next video.